Welcome to 0x Unstuck. Today's fix, the git merge conflict. Sooner or later, git stops you cold with conflict, automatic merge failed. It looks intimidating, but in a few minutes, you'll resolve one calmly and understand exactly what every symbol means. If you're newer to Git, don't panic when you see this. A conflict isn't an error you broke, it's Git asking you a question it can't answer on its own. If clear Git explanations help you, a quick like really helps the channel. Let's understand what a conflict actually is. First, merging. Branches let people work in parallel. Merging combines the changes from one branch into another. Most of the time, Git does this automatically and you never notice. A conflict happens when both branches change the same lines in different ways. Git refuses to guess which version is correct, so it stops and asks you to decide. That's all a conflict is, a question. Here's your setup. File greeting.txt. On the main branch, the line says hello from main updated. On a branch called feature, that same line says hello from the feature branch. Both touch the exact same line, so merging them will conflict. We're on main and we merge in feature. Watch auto merging greeting.txt. Conflict content automatic merge failed. Fix conflicts and then commit the result. Read what Git is telling you. Conflict content means the same lines clashed. Automatic merge failed means Git paused the merge. And fix conflicts, then commit is literally the instruction. Resolve it, then commit. Now open the file. Git has edited it for us. We kept both versions and wrapped them in conflict markers. This looks messy, but it's completely structured. 3 markers. The less than signs with head start your cycle. The equal signs are the divider. The greater than signs with the branch name and the incoming side. Everything between the less than markers on the divider is your current branch. Head, which is main. That's the hello from main version. Everything between the divider and the greater than markers is the incoming branch feature. That's the hello from the feature branch version. Now you decide. Keep your version, keep theirs, or combine both. Whatever you choose, you must delete all 3 marker lines so the file reads exactly the way you want it to ship. VS Code makes this easy with buttons right above the conflict. Accept current, accept incoming, accept both, or open the 3-way merge editor, or you can just edit the text by hand. Same result. I'll keep both ideas in one line. Remove the markers, stage the file with git add, and commit. That commit is the completed merge. Open the file again, clean, markers gone, both ideas kept, the conflict is resolved. And git status confirms it. On branch main, nothing to commit, working trickle. Done. One safety net. If you get lost in the middle of a merge, run git merge. Abort, it rewinds you to exactly before the merge started. Nothing is lost, you can try again. To get fewer conflicts, pull often so your branch stays close to main. Keep pull requests small, coordinate when 2 people touch the same file, and use consistent formatting so diffs reflect real changes, not white space. Recap, the merge stops with a conflict. You open the file and read the markers, you keep what you want and delete the markers, then git add and git commit. So that's it. Conflicts are just a question you answer. Quick one. If these help you, the wallet's on screen and there's a Ko-fi link in the description. Every tip finds the next one. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. A new dev fix every day. See you in the next one.